Let me check everything first. Okay, so my voice is obviously okay. So, hey, yo, what up? What up? It's the absolute pinnacle of unpredictability, aka with some. Nah, today I'm not insane. So, I'll be trying hash maps today. It's a very new topic for me, to be honest. Never tried hash maps. Wait, let me just find a question. I have Gemini on my right, like tab also, so that I can see what question should I attempt. It's okay, right? Yeah, it's okay. Let me see. So 217. Maybe I did this with two loops, I guess. Already did it. Nice. Okay. So 242. Haven't done this for sure. Oh, I've done this too. Damn. Okay, damn. And then there's group anagram. Group anagram. Hmm. And then there is, I think I should find on my own. Let's find by myself. Hash map, hash table, sorry. So I've done 10, 9 are easy, one is hard. Let's go with acceptance. Restore finishing order. Okay, it says 349. Let's see 349. Intersection of two arrays. And also it says 128. 128, okay. Okay, let's try these ones. I know a little bit about the syntax now. Hmm. May return the result in any order. So because 9 is there, well, I think I know how to do this one. I'm very new with hash maps and hash tables. So let's see. I don't know what to do either. What should I do? One for loop would be enough, right? This would be done in ON, I guess. This is a very easy question, I guess. So unordered, ordered set, and the value will be int. Okay, unordered set. Now again, syntax is incredible, right? I will name this S. So for int I is equal to 0, I less than nums1 dot size, and I plus plus. So S dot insert nums1 of I. That's it, I guess. And just like this, one more loop where everything will be same. It's just it will be num2 and then nums2. Okay, and then um, mm, How to change this in vector? How to change this in vector? Hmm. How can I actually change this in vector? Because it is unordered. Okay, I think I should try this at least. I should at least try this, I guess. So return vector int v s dot begin and s dot end, right? S dot end. I'm looking at the syntax for, obviously, I won't lie, because I'm very new to this topic. I'm just learning it. Okay, something is not right. Hmm. How to change? Hmm. Can I change the set to vector? Okay, something happened. Output is 2, 1 right now. Hmm. Okay, I see what can be done. I see what can be done. So, mm, I need to get a vector int v. I have this one. So if, oh no, it's still not what I'm thinking. Think about it, man. So what it is giving me right now is just intersection. Huh? I can obviously do this problem very easily, but it will be on square then, and I don't want to do it in on square. I think on is the better approach here, I guess. Okay, let's just try it then. Vector. Okay, let's just write a new code altogether. This is gone. And how do I start? How do I start? Unordered set int s nums one dot nums one dot begin nums one dot end. Hmm. Uh, okay, nums one dot begin, nums one dot end. Now I have a. Now what do I have? 1 and 2. And now I have to see if to make a vector int v. And now what happens is for int of I is equal to 0, I less than nums of 2 dot size I plus plus. And now what happens is Um, um, hmm. For int of j is equal to 0, j less than nums, no, not nums, s dot size j plus plus. When this happens, hmm, if I can't do indexing, right? It is not possible for me to do indexing here. Let's try. If s of j is equal to nums2 dot size, no, what am I doing? Nums2 I, then v dot push back nums2. Nums2, I know I'm making a mistake because in unordered sets there is no indexing, I guess, right? There is no good indexing. If this happens, break. Out of the if loop, out of the for loop, out of the for loop again, and then return v. And I'm going to see an error because there is no indexing. Uh, hmm. Let me ask Gemini, can I iterate in an unordered set? Well, I know I can't. So int x, okay, I can iterate. I actually can iterate for int x s if x is equal to now it should work, I guess. Ouch. Oh, what the hell am I doing? Damn, nums2 I. Now it is correct, I guess. Now it will work. Still wrong. So it says 2 2. Okay. Hmm. I knew that this could happen. So what has just happened? Let me just see what has happened. Um, this will be all good if I can do this, I guess. Okay, I just have to switch places, I guess. Now this goes here, and this int x is equal to s. X s. Now there's nothing that can go wrong, I guess. Yes. Okay. I'm learning hash sets. I'm learning. I'm learning, I see. But this is an O(n) square solution, which is obviously not optimal. What do I even post, man? Let's see the optimal solution now. Okay, so what is the optimal solution? So the brute force is, damn, what was that? what would be the optimal solution to this? Hmm. So unordered set, he made an unordered set which is hash set nums1 dot begin. Hmm. And then he just did for int nums2. Okay, he just took an iterator, check elements of nums2 in hash set. If hashtag dot count num, what hashtag dot count num? What? What is the meaning of this line? Let me ask Gemini. What is the meaning of this? Okay, I forgot to. If num exists in the set, do something. Oh, oh. I see, man. So this is that main thing. And because of this, I just wrote this, which is not very optimal, I guess. Hmm. My code is not that bad, I guess. And I guess my complexity, yeah, my time complexity was good too. My beats are good too. I guess this is okay. Hmm. So, C++ beginner friendly solution. Should I try hash maps too? Okay, I'll try tomorrow. One is good enough for one day, I guess. Hmm. Guess this is it for the stream then. Okay, so might come for Pokemon tonight. Uh, AK signing off. Goodbye, everyone.